Welcome or welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. This week's recipe is about the Sable Breton, a beautiful little French cookie that was born in the northwest coast of France, in the area of Brittany. This area must be visited. You should go and have a look at it. However, I'm going to try to bring a little bit Brittany in your kitchen, and I will show you a recipe that I fell in love with as a kid. And I must say, I haven't done it for about more than 20 years. So I hope you enjoy this, as I love them. Don't forget to subscribe, change your notification bell setting, and under the video, in the description, there is always the link to my recipe and the link to other recipe. Please comment, share it. Stay safe, stay home. Happy cooking, happy baking, and I'll see you next time.
Alright, party people, here we go for the Sable Breton. Gather all your ingredients, measure and weight everything perfectly with a perfect scale. First thing you will be doing is to soften your butter, so try to take it out of the fridge 30 minutes prior working it out with your spatula. Just make it soft like a cream consistency, a hand cream consistency. Once you're done, you can add your sugar all at once and give it a good mix. Same with your spatula. Once all your butter is incorporated, we're gonna add the vanilla. Here I'm using some vanilla paste from Hola. Very good product you find in Australian shops. A good large teaspoon, and mix it through. Add all your salt. If you want, you can use salted butter instead of. Here I'm adding all my almond meal. Give it a good mix, good for the Sable Breton. It's a beautiful butter cookie, really nice. It's to die for. Sift your cake or plain flour and your baking powder. And here I'm gonna mix a little bit of the baking powder, a quarter, and the flour, and 2 egg yolks. A little bit more of the flour mixed with the baking powder, and I'm going to add a few more egg yolks, and I'm alternating between the flour mix and the egg yolks until I have a very nice, smooth, soft paste. Honestly, I'm so excited about this Sable Breton. This recipe makes about 60 pieces. I brought it to work, share it with my peers, and it was a success. I don't think the 40 piece I brought there hold on for more than 15 to 20 minutes. As I said before, or on my blog, if you have a bite, you just want to have another bite. It's really orgasmic for your taste bud. Nothing more satisfying than that feeling. So mixing well, getting to that paste. I put a piece of silicone paper on my bench and I'm putting my Sable paste on it. I'm gonna put another piece of silicone paper and just smooth it out, roll it out. You can try to do a perfect rectangular shape. As much as you have about 1.5 to 2 centimeters thick, it's enough. I'll transfer my pastry to a tray and I will leave in the fridge for about 30 minutes, resting time. So undo, clean tray in the fridge, and 30 minutes later take it off, remove the piece of paper, and using a cutter 4 centimeters wide diameter, I'm cutting some nice little palette. Otherwise, if you want to have square shapes, you just can work 4 centimeter square, cut them, and here you are, up to your style, up to how you want them. Those little palais breton or sable breton could be cooked in a silicone mold. As I don't have any, I'm just doing the old school trays, nice silicone paper. Give them a bit of space between them, about 2 centimeters away from each other, as they do spread a little bit while it's baking. I'll put them back in the fridge for 10 minutes only, and then I double glaze them with some simple egg wash. When I'm done with the egg wash, I'm gonna make some little marks on it. One side using a fork, so I press a little bit hard to give it a bit of a stripy look, and I'll go the opposite way around, just like so, and that should break. Put it in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, and here we have our beautiful little sable. I'm so excited. I wish I could have some more. I've got to be honest, I make 60, I kept 20, and they didn't do 24 hours. I couldn't stop eating them. They are so soft, nice, buttery. You could keep them if you have a chance for up to 3 months on the airtight container, metal box, but keep them cooling down on your tray for 5 minutes, and then another 20 minutes on the cake rack before you put them in the box. And voila, the Sable Breton. Beautiful recipe. See you next time on Cooking with Frenchy.